Acholi Parliamentary Group, Ober Ping, Alubaki Pao Matipayo, Alubaki Pao Matalalo, Alubaki Pao Napa, Tin Mapayu, who were going to Napa, were born, and Namugapa. Chidong, Matugo Payo, Atamane, Miro Pendusa Yato, Bakaka Ben. Adam,
Praise the living God. Amen. Kipo Yesu Kristo. Our spiritual leaders, the people of Gulu City, and the people of God. My name is Ojara Martin Mapinduzi. I represent you in the Parliament of Uganda. And in Parliament, I chair the Committee on Public Service and Local Government. We are here today as leaders from Acholi Parliamentary Group, united and determined to confront the challenges that we are faced with as a people. And as the chair of the parliamentary group briefly stated, we decided as a team from Parliament to get back home because the situation is unbearable. You know what is going on? You know what our people are facing. It's a difficult time, and such a time requires a toughness. We have Balalo invasion. We are not against any tribe. We are not segregating anybody. We are only concerned that our vulnerable people are being abused, are being defrauded, and such a thing is unacceptable. And so we are here to pass the message. And the message is that we cannot afford to allow our people to be defrauded, to be intimidated, and to be abused. We call upon each one of you. And I just want this message to be clear. Today, 2023, Uganda is 46.2 million people. Today, 2023, the Acholi people, our total population right now is about 2.4 million. It is projected that by 2050, the population of Uganda will be 103 million. And our population as Acholi sub-region will be about 5 going to 6 million.